We are waiting for the Grab. What's that happening? Are you looking for reading glasses, babe? Are you looking for reading glasses?
Reading glasses, bifocal.
Ay, nako. Ma-stress naman lang ako nito. Ay, mura lang pala to. 600 na lang. Oh.
You don't fall.
Now, she wants to explore. Yung anak. Look at me here, anak. Yan na. Oh, what daddy's doing? Checking his eyes. Daddy's eyes. Nagpaano siya ng kanyang mata. Yung aking kilay, magpaano din ako ng kilay ko mamaya. Magpalinis. Ang tsaka na. Nasa loob na si daddy. Where's daddy na? Huh? What happened? We wait daddy. Daddy still inside. Parang may paano ka anak. Lipstick. Blush on. Sugat niya yan. Sugat yan? What happened? Oh, you got boo-boo. Wait, mommy. Show mommy the boo-boo. You see? You see the boo-boo? Oh, finish. See? Good. Mommy. Look at mommy, dirty nails. Mommy got dirty nails. Oh my goodness. What the heck? So dirty. Almost coming out. How does daddy look like, anak? Is that daddy? Is that your daddy? Down. Naghahanap siya sa amin kung saan kami. Bumili lang ako ng pagkain niya. Tumatawag na siya. Wala si Jowa. Babe, come here. Do you know this tree? Do you know this tree? Tree. The tree. Do you know that that's a real one? Yeah, it's a real one. Do you think it's a real one? Hindi mo siya maloko. Hindi pala pwede maloko. Akala ko pwede maloko. Punta na kami dito kasi magpano ko ng aking kilay. Nandito na rin naman kami. Magpapalinis ako ng aking kilay kasi magulo na. Ang bagal ng tatay na to. Paglagay ng seatbelt ng anak niya, ang hirap ma-figure out. Asa na ba yung eyebrows? Blow lounge pala. Brow lounge. Go! Hurry up! Go! The teddy bear. Come on. See, hug the teddy bear. Hug the teddy bear. Go hug teddy bear. Come on, go hug. Go hug the teddy bear, anak. Hurry up. See? Big teddy bear. Now, hug the teddy. Come on. Daddy. Ayan na. Come on, anak. Yan na. Anak, come teddy bear. Hug daddy. Hug daddy. Go, Teddy. Come on. Hug. Si hug. Go hug. Hug, Teddy. Hug. Ah. Hug, Teddy. Hug. Ikaw na. Meow meow. Okay, let's go down and see the meow meow. Let's go. Oh, there's another one, a purple one there. Yeah, you have to go there, babe. You have to take the elevator. There's another one. It's a purple. Hi. It's a hi. Oh, it's a purple. Okay. It's okay. Come on. We have to pass it and pass it anyway. Natakot na tuloy siya. Say hi, Teddy bear. Hi, Teddy. Natakot siya yan. We'll go with there. Waterfalls. There, hindi sa taas. Fountain. Why I keep saying waterfalls, waterfalls? It's a fountain, anak. Don't tell me you love cats now. Huh? You don't like doggies? Only cats? See the cat. Meow meow. Meow meow. Come down. Wanna come down the cat? Come on. Huh? Not a dog. It's a cat. Come. No? What do you want then? You see the cat. Say hello, cat. See hello, the cat. Cat. See? Ayan na, we'll eat Jollibee. Say hi, cat. Hi, Ate Nicole. Hi, Ate. Where's Ate? Huh? Where's Ate? Ate's at home? Anak, you scare me. Kinabahan ako. Huwag yung pusod ko. Ate Malia is coming, anak. You wanna see Ate Malia? Yeah, you got present for Ate Malia? Yay! Ate Malia, see you soon. Ate Malia, give hug Ate Malia, okay? And kiss. Yeah? What happened to my now? Is it clean? Look at my eyebrows. Is it clean now? Look. Clean.
The glasses. The glasses. The glasses.
Are you happy, babe? Are you happy with your eyeglasses? That looks good on you. Remember the one that we looked at in Robinson? That was 10,000. But this one, you got cheaper. Yeah, but that one this suits you well. You look guapo na, babe. More guapo. Daddy has new eyeglasses, anak. Don't you agree? Okay. Pray. Yeah, you have to pray, anak. Lord. One spaghetti. Not on your clothes. It's white, Anna. Here's the tissue.
Yeah, pray.
Lord.
Lord, thank you for the food. Okay. Thank you for the food. Okay. You can pray later on. Eat first. Yeah, baby. What happened? Sorry, good guy.
Sana yung dalawa. Tatakbo-takbo na naman yung daddy. Ay, naku anak. Sasakay na naman ng carousel. Oh, let's go. Oh, come down na. Down. What time are going home? Anak. Oh my God. Tumakbo. Na alam ko sana yung mag-ama. Ang bilis tumakbo ni Ayana. Sana kaya sila? Hinahanap, sinusundan ni Ayana yung ano, yung bus. Sana kaya sila? Ito na yung mag-ama. No, you have to pull here. Here comes the bus. It's coming. Oh, did they stop? Where's the bus? Where is it? Oh my goodness. Here comes the bus. Here comes the bus. There's the bus. Yay. Here comes the bus. Bus, bus, bus. The wheel on the bus. Stop. See? The bus stop. Are you gonna go ride? You gonna go up? Yeah? Oh, you have to wait, anak. You have to wait. You have to wait, Daddy there. Daddy will get the ticket. Okay? You wanna go up? Okay. Okay, let's go up. Go up. Babe, can you hold her back? Silip yung daddy niya.
Under na yan.
Is that daddy coming? Oh no, bye-bye daddy. Oh no, bye-bye to daddy. Bye-bye daddy. Bye-bye daddy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye to daddy. Bye-bye daddy. Yes, on the bus. Say hi, cat, cat. Nandito si Tanak. Bear, big bear. Si Bye-bye. Ano? Two big bear? Daddy's there, waiting for us. See Daddy? No? You didn't see Daddy? Huh? Where's Daddy now, nak? Gabi na, anak. Yan na. Crop top yarn. Wala na yung damit mo, anak.